Hello friends, welcome to CIT Tutorials. In this video I am going to show you how you can use Nessus Essential tool to scan any network or web application. So for this video I am going to take an example of my own website called cittutorials.wordpress.com. First we required the IP address of this website. So we have another option. Let's create a new scan. Click on new scan and you will see there is lots of options there. Okay, so I am using the free account, so I have a limited access of some scanning. If you have any premium account, then you will have these more features. Okay, so you can use these features, but for this video I am going to use web application test, scan for publish and unknown vulnerabilities. So let's click on it. I'm going to take example of third-party website to obtain the IP address of my own website. Okay, so let's see. We can also use like the domain, but I want to use an IP address. Okay, so here we are. This is the IP address. They give me two IP address, so I am going to use first one. Okay, so you have to name for your scan. So my scan and CI Tech. Okay, description. You can select my scan. It will be your default folder, and this is the IP address. Okay, this is the basic details you have to fill in, and after this you can customize your scan, like scan type common ports. If you want to scan all ports, then you will go for it, but I am going to use common ports. Okay, just for an example. And the assessment tab, I am going to as well, the scan for all web vulnerabilities will be a quick scan. If you want to a complex scan, that will be take some more time. If you want to do it, then you can use it. Okay, but I am going with quick scan. And if you like scanning any other website which we have credential, so you can customize your scan here and give the credential of whatever the access you have. Okay, but I just want to scan very basic. Okay, so you can also choose these options, like designate host by DNS name or display host, but I don't want any of these. Okay, so just let it go and come on the advanced section. We will see scan type will be already selected default. So here you can customize your scan. You can also use scan low bandwidth link. This will take more time, but just leave it to default. Okay, and just save your scan. Okay, here we are. This is my scan. Save. Let's open it. There's nothing right now, and click on launch. After clicking launch, the scanning process will start by the Nessus tool. Okay, so the process is started, and you just have to sit back and wait until the scan is completed. Okay, it will scan your website or web application for all the vulnerabilities within its database, the vulnerabilities database, and give a report of the scan. So wait until it's completed. Okay friends, however, I have stopped the scan because it is taking so long time. Okay, so when you are scanning something, you can wait longer, but for this video I have just stopped this scan. And what we have found, the one vulnerability called Cine Scanner, maybe it's false positive. And if you are a professional or something else, then you can like verify by using Nmap or some any other tool. This is false, this vulnerability is false positive or not. Okay, but okay. And after all these, we have lots of options. Okay, you can use with these two options, or however, I am not going to launch this scan again. So what I am going to show you is the report, how the report is generated after the scanning has been done. Okay, so when you have done your scan, there are three options: PDF, HTML or CSV. You can export your scanning report with these three options. So I'm going to take like PDF, just click on it, and you will have an option to generate your report in like exclusive summary or custom. So I will leave it to default executive summary, and just click on generate report. This will generate your report with all your scan and other things. Let's see what are the details will be there. Just have to wait until the report will be generated. Report has been generated successfully and downloaded. Let's open it. Okay, your report will be look like this, and your scanning name and other things, the IP address, and what are the format of the scan. Like I have already choose like executive summary report. Okay, so this will be the report format, and the host IP address and how many vulnerabilities are there, and their severity level. Like as you know, we have only one vulnerability and I have stopped the scanning, so the vulnerability will be information. Okay, and maybe it will like false positive or something. You have to verify. Okay, if you're professional, we cannot like fully sure with these automated tools. Okay, so that's it, the end of the report. And if the scan will be completed to 100%, there will be more vulnerabilities and more other options will be there. Okay, so that's it for this video, my friends, and I hope you will learn something new and know how to use this tool. Okay, you can install the Nessus tool from the official website of the Nessus, and you can have it. Okay, so if you learn something new or like this video, so hit like button, and if you are new in my channel, then you can go with subscribe. And if I have forget something, then you can comment me below so I can figure it out. And if you have any suggestions to make a video on penetration testing or VAPT, you can also drop me in a comment section. I will make a video on it. And thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next videos.